So this is basically just a video showing how my 4x4 method works. I don't have a name for it yet. So the first step will be to create 3 adjacent edges. So it will be like white, then say green and red. So I'm going to make green and red quickly. Green and red. Now you're going to want to, after you made the 3 adjacent edges, you're going to want to make the 3 edges here and add this corner in as well, so that you would make a 3x3x3 block, which would basically be like Tetris. In case you can tell, I was stalling for time there because I could not find the other edge. Bad. So now I'm gonna create the green and red edge that will go in here. And now put it in with an FTL pair and bazinga. Next step, we do finish centers. So this will be blue here. You have access to quite a lot more tricks than with like Yao, because you've only got to preserve this in the back here. So it's pretty easy. I say that and now I'm going to mess up somehow. So, and then the centers is actually pretty easy on this method. So that's one of the good things I say about it, definitely. Now I'm going to expand it into a 3x3x4 block by adding the last edge corner pair here. Okay, so corner is here. Just add that in and voila, got that little corners done. So now we're just going to finish pairing up the edges, and the way I do it for now is to make one, then just put that at the bottom, and then we can do a form of 3-2-3 edge pairing. So it will be, yes, put it in here, find the, is that red, yellow, and where the hell is the red, yellow? Where the hell is red, yellow? There. So put that in there, make another one, now in here, green, yellow, just here, and we've got 2 more. I like to do it in a L2E kind of way. So once you've paired all the edges, you are left at the EO stage of Petrus. I'm just going to use Petrus W because that's the only one I can really do. So this is 3 bad, 5 bad, and if you have 5 bad edges, then yeah, then you're gonna just want to do OLL parity. Okay. Now we are left with only 4 bad edges. Yeah, and now I'm just going to add finish it up. We're left here. I got lucky. That's one of the only COL cases that I know, and I'm just going to finish up the solve like that. You could have gotten PLL parity as well there, or you just have to do PLL parity algorithm. Yeah, that's it. Hope this method intrigues you. look ahead seems okay. The fact that it'll take you to EO after the edge pairing is really good, since the main problem with Petrus as a 3x3 method is that you have to stop to look at EO during the middle of the solve. So what I'm thinking is that if you get good at this, you'll be able to look into the EO while still doing the edge pairing, which you probably will be able to do. And there's also the fact that the last 3 centers is really easy, because you've only got to preserve this with a 3 block. So yeah, I hope this method has potential. See you guys later.